Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do these beautiful ombre nails. I will begin by applying some white opaque nail polish onto my nails and let it dry completely. Once it's dry, I will apply a layer of fast drying top coat. Next, I'm applying some liquid latex around my nails and cuticles for easy cleanup. For creating the ombre effect, you will need a piece of sponge. For this ombre look, I'm using a yellow and white nail polish. Begin by applying the white and the yellow nail polish onto the sponge, overlapping each other slightly. Now start dabbing the sponge onto your nails to transfer the color. Do not apply a lot of pressure. When the sponge stops transferring color onto the nails, apply more polish onto the sponge and then continue to dab it onto the nails. Continue this process till you achieve the desired look or opacity. Once you are happy with the look, remove the liquid latex and clean up around your cuticles using a thin brush or a Q-tip dipped in acetone or nail polish remover. Finish off by applying a layer of your favorite fast drying top coat or clear coat to get a glossy and smooth finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to like, comment and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. So, until my next video, take care and I'll see you all soon. Bye.